Well, it all started, this will be our 14th year of doing this, and it all started when the Trainer Junior Women's League asked me to do it. And at that time I only had 16 trees. And now we have 29. I've had as many as 30. But I don't know, it's just, I found it to be so fulfilling to do it, and it was just so neat to see everybody come through and enjoy it, that every year I try to change things up so when you come here it isn't the same thing every year. And it's always our pleasure to find a different charity every year to honor and do this for.
And it's exciting to me that she is doing this. Her and her family are taking the time to do this for us, because I know this is a beautiful event. The trees are wonderful. She's put a lot of time and energy into it and creativity, and this display here in front is absolutely amazing. And yeah, she does a lot of work in the community for a lot of nonprofits, and we really appreciate her picking us this year. And it's a home, it's not a shelter. Right now we have 32 dogs. They're all seniors. They range in the age from 8 to 18 currently. The oldest one we've ever had there has been 22 years old. And you know, it doesn't matter if a dog hit this life expectancy is, you know, 5 days or 5 years. We are there for them to live out their golden years. We do not adopt out. And they just live regular lives in a home with couches and beds and food and a big backyard to enjoy.
So this was a tree that was my design for this year that I was really excited to do. I had seen something on a professional decorator site last year, and I'm like, I'm gonna up my game and do something like that. So it took me about 8 months to find everything that I wanted. Specifically, the biggest thing was getting these spiral staircases that I really wanted to have, and finally found them in August. And then I started buying all the elves. There's actually 10 elves on here, and each of them are posable. And so they're each doing something different all around the tree. So I think everybody will have fun, especially the kids, looking at that and seeing what all the elves are doing. So yeah, I love how it came out. So this is something that we plan on doing for a long time yet, as long as our body will let us. And we just find it so rewarding. And we love picking out something different every year. And I can't tell you the amount of people we've met that we've never knew before, which is so special. So yeah, we have a lot of plans to keep going and doing this. And I just want to say, you know, you guys have seen this now, and you see pictures or videos, and it just doesn't do justice until you see it in person. So it's a great family thing to do on a Sunday afternoon, and all that money is going to go to a great cause. So hope you can come.